right, so welcome back to part 2 of my first turbine build. As you can see, this is my next project. I'm going to be starting probably this weekend. This is the M1 Bristol from Balsa, USA. But this is why we're here. This is the unboxing of the KingTech K102 G5 turbine. Nice. So instruction manual, I already printed out some stickers. Nice. KP500 DP turbine. Sorry. Brushless fuel pump. This would be the GPU, I think it's called. So I got the fuel line, probably 4mm fuel line. Fuel filter. I do not see a flow arrow on it. Your Festo style on-off valve. Battery cable. A DRM cable. Or, yeah, I think it's called DRM. Data relay module, I think. And the turbine connector itself. And this is the data relay module. Pump cable, power cable, turbine data cable. GSU ports. Pump, I think. Auxiliary for the receiver and the receiver throttle. And this is the KingTech 102 G5. $100 newtons of thrust, 22 pounds of thrust. Anyway, that's it. I will be building a test stand for this, and we'll run it up and see how it goes. So as long as we're here, why not set it up? So this is the battery cable. Gets plugged into the data relay module.
You need finished jet drying 3. It works after detergent to prevent residue, dry better, and prevent clouds. For dishes that shine.
This is the pump cable. The plug for the pump gets plugged into the back. Like so. This plugs into the turbine, and this plugs into the data relay module. Okay. So you can see the cables are plenty long enough for the plane that I have anyway. So this would go into the data relay module, and this end would go into my power safe receiver. This is the GSU. This gets plugged into here. So the pump's labeled with start and fuel, and you have a line for start and fuel. This line, I would assume, would go to your EAU, EAT, UAT. This line right here would go to your UAT. So this is supposed to have ultra quick starts in under 15 seconds.
Now this is the KP500 fuel pump.
Non-specific engine orientation.
We've got the standard setup of fittings and tubing and all that.
Safer and predictable startups. Faster auto restarts within 7 seconds. 12 volt or 3S LiPo compatible. Multiple engine start selectable delays. User selectable diesel or kerosene jet A. Unlikely to have a failed or wet start. Okay, so I'm going to guess that the P valve is to manually turn on and off the pump.
If you do have one of the old KingTech,
but I'm going to have to look into that. I'll let you know. And the RX auxiliary, which is the receiver auxiliary, that may be for when for running 2 receivers. But I'm doing a Spectrum setup, so I'm only going to be running 1 receiver. So yeah, I think that's what that is. This is the entire setup. So I'll be building, like I said, I'll be building a test stand. We'll be running this thing up and seeing how she performs. Okay, so something I forgot that's probably important is to check the weight on this stuff.
Right, so we are ready to get this thing fired up and see how she runs. I'm going to get positioned in front of the
So the turbine, I don't know if you can see the weight on that.
All right, guys, so we are ready to start this thing up.
The weight on that is 940 grams.
I'm just going to start it, see how it starts, and then I'm just going to do some
2.14 pounds.
we put my I'll have my radio right here when I do that, so you guys will be able to see the 3 different items all put together. So I'll be controlling the throttle here. Obviously, the sound is going to be very loud, but just pay attention to when we get to idle.
134 grams.
I just want to see how this thing runs.
4.8 ounces. Leave this out. I got the plastic bags. Let's just say 3.7 ounces. 106 grams with the plastic. $36 grams, 1.3 ounces. Everything all together. What is that? Oh. 1 kilogram, 226 grams, or 1,226 grams. 2 pounds, 11.3 ounces, or 2.7 pounds. These little marks on here are a little strange. Not sure what's going on there, but whatever.